space. It doesn't sit in one small place. It doesn't start and it won't end. It flows through where I stand. Nothing missing, nothing far. No divide, no hidden card. What I thought I had to reach is already within my reach. I release the sense of distance and rest inside this presence. There is no absence anywhere. This knowing through those things we've cared. What I seek is always near, because this mind is always here. No edge, no gap, no boundary, only one reality. There is no absence I can find. I move within a universal mind. Every thought that comes to me rises from infinity. Nothing separate, nothing born. All awareness widely known. When I stop dividing side, everything falls into light. Understanding grows with ease as resistance gently leaves. What I thought was out of view is always moving me through. There is no absence anywhere. This knowing fills our space with care. What I seek is always near, because this mind is always here. No edge, no gap, no boundary, only one reality. There is no absence I can find. I move within a universal mind. This awareness has no side, no inside, no out of line. When this settles